Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. You may notice I've got no eyeliner here and I've also not done any mascara, and that is because I'm going to be trying some false lashes, which is something I never use, never wear. So I thought, why not give it a try? So I bought some magnetic lashes actually from LOLA'S lashes. Here's the box it came in, and yeah, let's give it a try. See if I can see it. There you go. And here is the back, and it says add a little attitude to your lashes with our foolproof kit. So I did get the kit, I didn't just get the lashes because I've never used magnetic lashes or any before of any kind really. So it has the lashes, the magnetic eyeliner, which is how you get them to stay, and magnetic eyeliner cleanser. Thought I might as well give it all a try. And it is also, well, it says here that it's cruelty free and suitable for vegans, which is good. Crafted using premium synthetic silk, and it also says that it can be used 30+ times with the correct care, which is what I found was different to other magnetic lashes. So with other brands, I noticed, I think it was Isla and Ardell that were the other brands that I was looking into, much cheaper than this, because this was £35, but I think I managed to get it discounted to 30. And Isla and Ardell are about £15 for the lashes and eyeliner, but only promise about 15 uses. So this is more expensive, it's double the price and supposedly double the amount of uses. Let's open it up, and this is what it looks like. You can see the lashes there, the eyeliner and the cleanser right there. So I think what I might do is go in with the eyeliner, do my mascara, and then wait for that to dry and then put the lashes on and see how that works. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh wow, okay, that's so pretty. I've put you at a different angle for this just to be able to see that. That's quite a thick applicator actually for eyeliner. It's really thick formula as well, which I'm guessing it probably needs to be. I might have to go over this like little bit I've got at the end. But let's just go in there and see what happens. I'm just trying to go in like a tiny bit at a time. I'm scared of getting really thick eyeliner and not really knowing where it's gonna stick. So I'm definitely taking my time, which is kind of making me scared that it's gonna dry out. I'm trying my best here, I promise. Right, so that is one eye done, as you can see. So I'm going to quickly get the other one done and get back to you, and we can have a look at these lashes. Right, so I've just applied all of the eyeliner and mascara to my eyes, so there is nothing left now but to get these open. So of course this is the sapphire one, so they are quite natural looking, as you can see. They're stuck to like a little magnetic strip on here, so they will stay in place. I'm trying to be very gentle with these. Let's try and get this on this eye. Can you see? Kind of, that's fine. About here, is that too far? That's a little bit too far. About there, I think that's right. And then do the other ones. My eyes are super sensitive, so this is quite a weird sensation anyway. But then to be putting something on there, oh wow, that's pretty. It feels really weird, and it's making my eyes water because it's quite heavy and there's some, you know, but I thought because they were quite natural looking I wouldn't get much of a feel for it, but they're so long. It look so pretty. I'm gonna have to get on with this other one now because that's stunning. I have no concept of being gentle with these. I am trying really hard, but I'm already getting mascara and I think mixed with the eyeliner everywhere, because with me it's never an easy task to do like anything with my makeup. It is always a mess. Luckily it looks okay in the end. There, I think that's stuck a little bit better. I don't know if these actually need to go higher up and these more in the middle, but I quite like it like that. They look amazing. I'm happy with this purchase despite it being expensive. I look really weird. It's so weird. But yeah, I would definitely from this point recommend it. I'd say maybe you'd be a little bit careful with the eyeliner, trying not to get it on your lashes like I did, because that was a bit stupid. But for the finished look, that is wow. I'm glad I didn't go for anything fuller. I think the ruby ones and the diamond ones are the really full ones. I think the ruby ones would look a bit mental on me. The diamond ones looked quite cute actually, but this was definitely a good pick. I don't know whether to do a little review of the cleanser or not. I'm kind of thinking maybe not. I can't open it with my nails, so probably not. But I love these. I definitely recommend them. I'm trying to see if they need trimming anywhere. They might do just a tiny bit, because they're quite, because obviously the magnets and they're quite thick actually, well they're quite long ones, so for them to curve obviously they stick out in a little bit, but I really like them. I would definitely recommend. That's insane. That's actually insane. But I guess that's it. I guess that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will leave a link to these, well, to the LOLA'S Lashes website if you want to get your own and pick what style of lash you think you would suit, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!